If you need email security reports for management or audits in Proofpoint, this video is for you. This guide is designed for email administrators and security compliance teams. Quickly, I'll show you how to generate reports in Proofpoint. Go to the Logs and Reports tab and open the report viewer in the admin console. First, select the correct category, then choose the report type you need, such as threat summary, URL or attachment analysis, user activity, policy hits. For this demo, we're selecting Spam Classification Trends. Next, choose the date range from the drop-down menu, and then click on the report name. The report will be generated and displayed. You can export or download the report in formats like CSV or PDF, making it easy to use for audits, compliance, or internal reviews. You can also customize the report by selecting custom date ranges and formats, then generate it again. If required, you can even schedule reports to run automatically using the Schedule option. Reports provide clear visibility into threats, blocked emails, and user activity, helping your team monitor email security effectively.